Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatih Afzal and I am from 7th grade, and today I will tell you how sound travels through waves. You can see there is a speaker, a device which is reflecting laser on the wall. So here you can see that the laser I placed here is pointing towards the mirror which is placed in the device, and when the speaker gives out sound, it comes to the waves travel through the air and then vibrates the mirror, and the mirror is reflecting the laser on that wall, which and the laser is vibrating due to the vibration.